I'm on lifeguard duty today. Shathid. Shathid. Yes, you. Look over here. Shathid. I'm gonna bust that ass and you're gonna be swimming in soy sauce. Don't you be looking at Sandy like that. This is the first, actually. I haven't seen him do this before. What other tricks do you know, Sandy? You ain't gotta worry, man. We will rename him to General So, I promise. Shathid. Shathid. Hey! What the fuck wrong with you, huh? Sandy, don't be over there provoking him, okay? I don't want to have to do it. I will. But I don't want to. You just eye fucking the cat. Tell me that ain't eye fucking. Oh, look at that. Good boy. Let's say you don't identify as a meal. I'll help you though. Hey, check my cousin Pablo out, man. That's good music right there, yo. Wonder if they're gonna hit me with a copyright on this. If so, fuck you, Pablo. It's all your fault.